Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ukon rat sangma. Ulaong bakade ke Sorkar NPP ke bala shimkhia banwan ra Biang ke jingti Dewiong ke Jylla. Hendai ke Sorkar bala lejno bayalam ke Kongres ke klemle AA hadian ke Sorkar India ke lepenmi ke hukum banam syashu banti Dewiong. Ulaong baka jinyat denti ke Sorkar NPP banyakhun ke benta ke ni kalong ke bae bha namar bahab banyat Lyngba ke Supreme Court bat dekran bat ke Sorkar pedeng bat ki wede kita nak terekam bat menta la syak Biang banti Dewiong Lyngba ke Stad Saian. Haba keli syapang ke jinyat ringkat ke jingdon ke jingti Dewiong Lyngba ke Stad Saian bat ke jingti Dewiong Biang. Menteri Rangba ulaong baka long ke bae baki hajar ngut ki beriu ki baju im ban kamai jakpo dak bati Dewiong. Hendai kensan nami ke hukum ban syak syuk banti Dewiong. Namar bakini ki hab ban im bat ki hab ban kamai. Hendai watla kata ulaong ke Sorkar kalau persang ban tek lakam ya ke jingdon ki bati Dewiong Biang. Hendai ki donru ki baka Sorkar kamlang. Ulaong bahkan ni ke Sorkar bementa ki la Trei Shitom. Kenang bakini ki bala syak khang banti Dewiong kin yo banti Dewiong Lyngba ke Stad Saian. Bat ukermen banang ni syakmat kani kan sayat ben.
Wherever we have found that any illegalities are happening or any kind of mining is taking place or anybody is transporting anything that is without proper documentation, hundreds of such cases have come up and we have taken normal action in that. So therefore, from the state government side, we are very clear that we are being very strict on all these aspects. And more importantly, we are now in the process of actually starting the scientific process. So therefore, you will see that the kind of situation that was created during, the Congress time and the previous chief minister's time, where the coal was banned, and no step was taken to give any relief to the miners and the people. It is our government that took up this huge task and ensured that we are able to streamline process today because of the work that has been done by us based on the commitment that was given by me. Today, we have the scientific process of coal mining that has been initiated. So we will see the entire sector transform and we will see the entire process of, as I said, scientific mining start. So that entire situation that we faced in the last many years, mostly the last 11 years, as I said, because of the inaction taken by the previous government to challenge the coal ban that was there. Because of that, all these complications came up. But today, as I said, because of the strong step being taken by us, challenging this ban in Supreme Court, working with Government of India to create different SOPs and protocols, working with Government of India agencies to come in and check the different mines. Today, Coal India, Coal Ministry, all are deeply involved in the mining. Even recently, officials from Coal Ministry came, expressed their satisfaction in what is happening based on their prescribed work and guidelines. Today, the process of exporting and sending the coal outside into other parts of the country has started, and on a pilot basis, we have started the process with about I think about 8 to 9 or 10 trucks have been initiated, and I'm sure that in the next few months' time, this entire process will be thoroughly streamlined, and we will see that this entire situation that was created by the previous government will now be behind us, and the new era for scientific coal mining and proper mining and procedure is right in front of us. Inquiring into this, we have asked the different department officials and the deputy commissioners to inquire into this aspect. So we'll get report, and then once the report comes in, then we'll be able to reply back to these details.
Have you set any time frame for these people?
It'll be as soon as possible. It should be done ASAP.
So how do you address the mix-up of both scientific and illegal mining? There should be some full stop to illegal mining. Then only you can start scientific mining.
It's not like that. Once the scientific process is on, I mean, even now, I'm not saying that illegal mining is going on, but there's certain areas, individuals. Please, you have to remember one thing, and I think the state and the people should understand, and all of you should understand that before 2014, there was nothing called illegal. Everything was happening for the last 100, 200 years. And our coal miners and our people were engaging in that process for decades and centuries. Suddenly you come in 2014 and you say, no, you cannot live and you cannot go ahead with your livelihood and the way you used to mine from tomorrow onwards. And these are lakhs of people who depend on livelihood on coal. So, therefore, to come in and simply stop their livelihood and in a way snatch their livelihood is not so simple. So, people will have to live, people will have to earn. So, therefore, when you don't have a mechanism to tell them that, look, you can do it, but you can do it this way, if that mechanism is not in place, then people will do what they know the best to do. And therefore, this entire transition, this period where we were trying to adapt with this entire order of the NGT to the point that today we are able to now come up with scientific mining is a very difficult phase. You tell people that no, you can't do this, and neither do you show them how you can do it. What will they do? So, therefore, let's be very, very practical. Let's be very practical. The challenges were there. The challenges were there. We fought those challenges. We overcome those challenges. We took action against people who were trying to do any kind of illegal activity. We stopped many, some we could not, and things happen. These kind of situations are. But at the same time, overall commitment was there from the state government. And therefore, today we are at a phase, as I said, once again I'm repeating, that we are almost, as I said, at the point that we are now going to transition from the phase of not allowing people to mine to a situation where we have now created a framework and say, guys, you can do it, but you have to follow these procedures. And about, as I said, about 20 plus people have accepted it. Large miners, these are 100 acres, 100 hectares of mines. They have started it. And so this process is on. And it is obviously the government's responsibility to ensure that all the scientific process happens. And I'm very confident that as and when, see, who wants to do illegal things? Obviously, if people have a legal option, earlier there was no legal option also. The problem was there was no framework, there were no rules, there was no system, there was no policy. And we had to challenge all of that in High Court, Supreme Court. We had to take it to Government of India. We had to take it to, it's a huge and a long and a tedious process that we had to do. So therefore, we will see, as I said, this beginning of this entire process now being streamlined. And I'm very hopeful that as more and more miners get licensed, as this becomes a normal procedure, and as we are able to streamline the process even further in the future, which I don't want to talk about, but I'm working very deeply to this aspect. I'm very sure that everything will become very streamlined, and all the different mines that are taking activities that are taking place will be in a very clear manner, transparent manner, and in a very scientific. I've said, and what you just added, that rat hole mining was banned by NGT in a matter of a week, a day. So yesterday it was okay, but today it's not okay. So now what do people do? So therefore, it's a very difficult situation for people who have been doing exactly that process for 100 years. And suddenly tomorrow morning they wake up and they say, you can't do it anymore. And they've got thousands of people who are below them. They have their families to feed. They have got entire responsibilities, maybe loans they have to pay back. And therefore, it's not so simple. But as I said, everything is a transition. Everything is a process. There will always be ups and downs. There will always be challenges. But we have, as I said, managed to balance things, overcome those challenges. And today we are, as you said correctly, we are teaching people that, look, there is a way now. We are supporting you, we're helping you. Go for scientific mining. Apply for the license. And as I said, 20 plus people have taken that. 4 have already started their mines. I'm sure that in the next 6 months to 1 year's time, we will see more and more and more people coming into the line. And as I said, things will be very different from what they were in the past.